how to create the tables. So that's why I put the title as a table here. So this is a body BG color. Okay, so there are many colors there, but I just put it there LX blues, which means they're not really blue, a little bit like blue. Okay, but it is optional. If you don't like the color, so you don't have to put only just one. Okay, then now according to this one, this looks, I think that I believe everybody have it. Okay, so we are going to insert the image called SUC logo or the pictures. Okay, you can put it here, and then after that you have a heading, and after that you have a paragraph. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so let us go here now. Everything's from here. I will just copy here, edit, copy, and edit, paste. Okay, so I have here, the first one is there inserting the image, but I have to go and check whether the name is SUC logo or not. Okay, so I'm going to save these things and the, where is my e-commerce here? I have e-commerce. I have my e-commerce here, and I have e-commerce practical. When I check here, okay, SUC logo is here, and then I have here the extension is PNG. Okay, I have also here SUC. I think this is the extension is also PNG. Okay? So I think I prefer this SUC logo, the small one. Okay, so I want to put this logo here. Okay, so when you check, this is not the logo, I think. This is the logo, big logo. Okay, so actually I like the small logo. Because the big,
بس دقيقة
you can put it no problem. But I believe that you already know how to check the extension. So I have already here.
بس دقيقة
Extension is the
سمعت صوت
and then
سمعت
this
صوت بركي سمعت
okay, Department of Information System and Technology with the H1. Okay, then after that we have a welcome to the Department of Information. This is the paragraph. This paragraph is very long, so you can make it
أسمع
short
صوت
if you want to see. No problem. Okay, but because it is a very long, I just copy. Okay, from there. So this is, you can make it like this if you want to see clearly, because this is just a paragraph, means that it is very long. Okay, so this is a paragraph. If you want to see it properly, you can make it like, like this, no problem. If one line also, no problem. So I believe you already know this is a body. Body, we are going to insert the image. After that, we are going to insert the heading, and we have this paragraph now. Yes, somebody is talking to me. Okay. Now, I believe that this one we already know, okay?
Yes, doctor.
Okay,
Doctor.
okay.
تعال ما بندير معك نسمع صوتك.
Okay, so this part I believe that you already understand. Okay, now let's go for the table now. Okay, let's start the table. So for the table part, you have to put the border. Okay, for those who are taking the web development, you already know these things. Okay, so we are going to design the table, and then we can put it here. Table 5 means that we want the thick border. So that's why I put it 5. Okay, so the first thing here you have to make is that for the table, you have to design line by line. This is called table row, R-O-W row. Table row, TR open and TR close. This is the one row. Okay, so and here, I'm going to put the 3 part here. Okay, so the first one here, I'm going to put is a sequence number. Sequence number is that SE2 sequence. SE2 sequence number. So which means that the list number. Okay, sequence number, and then after that, name and image or something like that, and then description. These are the heading part of the table. Okay, so these are the heading part of the table. And then after that, I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the table, one of the row here. One of the table. Okay, so this is the one of the table. The first row with the head, table head, TH is a table head. Okay, so what is the sequence number here? I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put, for example, like 5 items. But for you, you are doing the e-commerce, so you have to put like 10 items at least. Okay, so like how you put it there. Then after that, the name of the products, and then the name, the description. Okay, so what is this about? Okay, so but I'm just going to show you the example that I use it in the web development. So after this, the first thing is, the first one is going to be written now. Here also the second one, now you are going to enter. The first one, the sequence number, you say that this is number 1 here. And number 1, you are going to give the name of the product. For example, I put there, this is, I have a fruit. I talk about the fruit. This is called the grapefruit, one of the fruit. So, and here I put the bowl because I want the fruit things to be the bowl. That's why I put the fruit here, bowl. Okay, and then also I have the image. Image means that I have a 1, 2, 3, and so on. I have an image like this. Okay, so this image I'm going to show you here. I have here, for example, not this one. Yes, this is the things. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a 5 images. This is called the first one. This is the grapefruit, like an orange. This is a pineapple. This is the avocado. This is the apple, and this is the pomegranate. Okay, so these are the 5 fruit. I want to make the design for the fruit. Okay, so that's why this fruit is called the grapefruit. I save it with the number 1 here. Number 1, but the extension is the PNG. Okay, so number 1 and PNG. How you see the extension? I told you that because all the pictures, the extension is not the same. So how you are going to check the extension? You can check here, rename, not rename. You have to go for the properties here and see the extension. The extension is your .png. See, you will see here .png. So that's why the extension is in here. Okay, so .png. Now go back to here. So this is the things. I give the name with the 1, number 1 and PNG. Okay, so the width and height means that I want the picture size is going to be 100, 100 here. So this is the one of the pictures. Okay, of the one of the column. Okay, the second part is I talk about what is the grapefruit. Okay, I explain about what is this and then what are the good things. So I explain in the 2 line because the line is very, the long, that's why I put the BR. I break down 1 line. So this table explain one of the row here. This table explain one of the row. Okay, so the first one I put it under the sequence number, there will be number 1. After that, the name, under the name, there will be the grapefruit and the pictures of the grapefruit. Then after that, the description, under the description, there will be, I'm going to talk about the grapefruit is the good things and happiest fruits or something like this. Okay, so these are everything I take it from the internet. This is not from me. All the information you can take it from internet. So if you are going to make the website for the chocolate, you just go to the internet and you search for the chocolate. Then they are going to give, you can even find the name with the chocolate name. For example, this chocolate. Then they are going to explain about that chocolate name or brand. Okay, so this is the things that, one of the things. Okay, so the same thing is going to be here. From here, you just copy, but you are just going to change this thing. The second one, instead of number 1, it is going to be number 2. Then after number 2 finished, you are going to number 3, like this. So then the first one is a grapefruit, but the second one here, I have a pineapple. Because this is a number 2 pictures, pineapple. So now here, the picture is 2, not the 1 here. So just change like this, because other things are all the same thing. You just copy this one, and then number 1 is changed to number 2, and then the grapefruit is changed to the pineapple, and then the image is changed to number 2. Okay, finish. Other things are the same thing. And then I'm going to, okay, also write the information about the good things. What is the pineapple? Then this is also I take from the internet. Okay, because the information is very long, so I put the BR to go down another line. So this is the second one. Number 3 is also the same thing. Okay, so like that I have given until the 5 here. I have given information about the 5. Okay, then after that, now I'm going to save now. File, save as. Where I'm going to save under the fruit. But this is just say that I'm going to put EC, okay, practical. PRACTICAL, practical. Okay, table, TABLE table. But actually you can write anything. Okay, but maybe this is already too long here, but no problem. Any name you can give. I will just say .html. If you don't like to put the underscore, you can just write together, no problem. Okay, so now I save it as a HTML and then let's save it here. So now let's go and open. Where is this folder? It is going to be under here. See, where did I save? I didn't know where did I save. Let's go back again, file, save as. Where did I save? The beauty project sample. Okay, the beauty project sample. This is the same thing. Okay. So let's see here. This is the things. See, e-commerce practical, EC practical table. Just now I saved this one. Okay. So when you open this one, oh, I don't have logo here. Because I don't have Seoul University College logo. That's why it is not coming here. Okay, so these are the just now I created the table. I have a 5, okay, fruits with the name, with the image. I have image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put it in the table and then I talk about what is a grapefruit, what is a pineapple, what is a avocado, what is a apple, and what is a pomegranate. Okay, because I have if very long, then I cut it here. Okay, so this is the things here. So when you look at the here, the first one is not appear because the first one is you already know that the first one is the pictures, but I don't have SUC logo here. So that's why it's not appear. So if you want this one to be appear, you have to copy from here. Okay, because you must have a pictures. Okay, so I will copy these things and I will put it in here. Okay, because you must have everything here. Okay, so now let's go and refresh. Because before I have no pictures, but now I already copy. So refresh now. See, this is already here. So that's why how you can insert these things and then how you can put the heading and then how you can make the paragraph. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so then now, okay, so even you already know this one, how you are going to put the center, right? Because, and here, sorry, maybe I didn't make it here, but in order to make it beautiful, you can make it there. You can design there, for example, like center, CENT center. Okay, you open the center and then after that, you can close the center here. This is the close the center. You can close the center. Okay, so it is going to be in the middle. And then even the table also, you can open the center and then the whole table, okay, it's going to be, you can put it under the center here. Okay, so this is it is already the close the center. So now I will save it and then go and run and see what is the difference now. See, oh, okay, this table is already in the middle, but I don't know why this is not in the middle. Maybe my coding is a little bit wrong. Where is the center? I have a center here, H1. C and D center. Yes, this is a correct. Why it is not in the center? Maybe the line must be close or what? Center close. Yes, this is true. C and T here, C and T here. It should be in the middle. Oh, no, no, no. I put it this one here. But I have to put it for the image also. Okay. Edit. Cut. Because if you have it together, if you want together to put, just put one. You put it one here. And then after that, you can put together these two. Because which means that inside the center open and center close, everything is going to be in the middle. This picture is also going to be middle. Department of Information System and Technology is also going to be the middle. Okay, so now let's run it now. Now it is going to be in the middle, everything's. Wow. What? It's so weird. Why my picture is not? I have a center here. Image. Yes, why my image is not going to the center? It is very weird. Because I have a center here. I close the center. Okay, no problem. I will. Supposed to be it is okay. Why suddenly it is a problem? I don't know. No problem. I will put line by line. It is okay. Everything looks okay. File, save. I don't know what is wrong with this image. Now it's okay. Okay, so maybe I have to put one by one. So which means that these are the center, the table is also the center. Okay, so sometimes even these things are, okay, complicated. So this is the how you can design the table. So what you are going to do, what I want you to say is that if you are going to sell the chocolate, you can find the chocolate pictures like what you did it and the project. Okay, go and find the chocolate. You already have a pictures and then you already have a name there. Okay, and then you talk about something here and then you put the name, but you have to introduce something here. Okay, not like this Department of Information System or something like this. Okay, maybe you have to talk about the fruits or something like this. Okay, so these are the ones. Now I want to show you how you can change the color. Okay, how can you change the color of this one? Because now we have a black here, but you can change the color. Okay, so this one was that I taught it this one and the, I taught this one in the web development subjects. Okay, how to change the font size. So this is, I think, in the chapter 5 here. Sorry. Okay, so and here you can even change the font size here. You can design like this. For example, I want to put it this one here. So you have to put the, instead of an ID, you have to put these things here. Let me show you here. And here, you have here, look at here, H1. But after the H1, before the closing, I'm going to put the style. See, style, color equal to red. You have to just copy these things. So if you want to change to the another color, you can change here like a blue or yellow or whatever it is, or green. But now I put the red color here. Okay, so this Department of Information System and Technology is going to be the red color. Okay, now file, save. File, save, and then go and refresh here now. See, this is a red color. This is, you can design. Okay, so this is like this. You can design here. Okay, now what is the next one here? Because these are the additional things I learned, okay? Because it is not in the text, I learned it by myself, and then that's why I'm giving you. So that's why it is not in the nooks here. It is not in the nooks, okay? But no problem, I'm recording, and then you can study later also. This is there, will change you the color, okay? Not only this, how can you do it? You can even put the background color like this. For example, that one, you can even put the background color. For example, like paragraph. I want to put the paragraph, the style, background, okay, another color here. This is called tomato color, this one, they say that. But you can put it like, for example, yellow color or green color, no, never mind. So I'm going to put the paragraph. The background is going to be this color like this. Okay, so let's go to here. I have a paragraph here. Paragraph open, P open, and P close. So this paragraph, I'm going to put the color background. So it is going to be the style, background color is tomato. Tomato color is something like orange, not really orange. Okay, so this background color is going to be the tomato color. Okay, file, save. Now go and refresh and see the difference. So this color at the background is going to be highlighted with the tomato color. See, this is the tomato color. Okay, so this is how you can design your website. Okay, so I have only these things. So now let me change to the another one called yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Let me save it here. File, save, and refresh. See, this is a yellow. So, and here there are two differences. You see, and here this is a font. Font color is changed, and this here, this is called the highlighting. Okay, so these are the things that you can do it, inshallah. Okay, so this is you can design it. Okay, so it is again, it is very, I mean, okay, interesting and not difficult at all. You only need, okay, to write this one for the font color. Okay, just change the red, yellow, green, and then this is also the same thing, the style, background color, yellow. So this is also the same thing. Okay, so how you are going to highlight. Okay, so you can also start doing the project now, because since you already have it, and then I know that you can do it because you have already submitted the project last time, remember. But make sure that you are going to put the 10, because last time also you put the 10. Okay, so please design the 10, because other things maybe later, because at least you also have to do the 3 parts. Okay, so now you can
Doctor,
design. Yes, students.
this is the project we will do.
Yes, you have to submit the project for the e-commerce website.
How much?
10 marks. This is, you know,
Yes?
the e-commerce, you have a practical lab. So this is it's supposed to be at the lab test, but I don't want to give you the lab test because not all the students have a computer. So I gave you as a project. So you can start the project from now, because last time, remember, when you do the website, okay, you have a 10 product here. So I want you to put that 10 product with this one. Put it 10 product like this, and then talk about the product information and so on. Last time, remember, you already designed the website using the free web store with your email. Do you remember?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So the same thing. The sequence number, it is up to you. You can put sequence numbers, mean that the number 1, 2, 3. This is just you can put number also, no problem. I just put it the sequence numbers they call. You can put number also, no problem. This means that just 1, 2, 3 list. This is the list. They call, this is called the sequence number. Okay, this is just a list.
Okay.
If you want to put the number also,
Okay.
no problem. Okay, so you can follow this design or something like this. But when you are going to design, you don't have this image. Okay, make sure that you don't put this image. You don't have image. So you start from here. For example, if you are going to talk about the chocolate, then you put the title. Maybe my favorite chocolate, or maybe your website is that the delicious chocolate, something like that. Just talk about the something, okay, about your product. And then this is the information, little bit information. Then you say that you are going to sell this kind of product in your website. Okay, I have available 10, just put. Then you have to make the description. Okay, this is about what, and then how it is good, how it is delicious. These are all the information you can find it from internet. Okay, for me, everything, this one, everything's the pictures, these things, everything, the information from the internet. I don't write anything. Okay, so just go to the Google, and then if you want to talk about the chocolate, then there will be many chocolate, and then you find the information about the each chocolate. So you have to write the 10 products. Okay, so I already have a 5 here now. Okay, so I have recorded here. I'm going to put it there. So if you want to take the pictures also, you can take it now. Do you want to take the pictures?
Okay.
Because last class,
Yes.
the students wants to take the pictures, this one. You want to take it? You can take the pictures.
Yes.
Okay, take the pictures now.
Okay.
Okay, one thing I want to show is also, please don't take it, because one thing I want to explain about this thing also. If you want to put like this is called the border color. Okay, if you want to put about this one also, you can put it like this. For example, border color means that it's appear like this. Okay, so if you want to appear like this, also it is possible. Okay, so let me check these things, whether I can edit in this title or not. Because I already have a style there. Okay, who is the Zoom user? Do you know the Zoom user? Who is a
No.
Zoom user? Somebody is there, I just added.
Amani.
Who is a Zoom user?
I don't know.
I don't know also.
Zoom user.
Yeah, maybe I'm scared also. I don't know who.
Amani.
Or is it Amani? Okay. Because I just thought that maybe somebody come or something like this. Because we cannot see over there, that's why it is a problem. Okay, so let me see whether I can put it here or not. I already have a style here. And then I don't know whether I can write the another things or I have to make it two different or I'm not sure. Okay,
Victoria,
let's just
we'll
see.
do same.
Because I
We'll
have
do
already the
same
style here.
style.
Maybe I will make there another style, whether it is possible or not.
عادي وين
I have a
بي-
two. Let me check it here. Okay. Now let's go and run it because now and here I have a two property. Remember the first one is the text color and then the other one is the border. So border I'm going to change to the tomato or I will change to blue. BLUE blue. So when I say let's go and see it is going to change or not. Let's go and check. Oh, it is not working because only one is working. Okay, so that which means that you can put it whether the color or highlight or only the border because you cannot use the two things at the same time. Because and here I have a two things here, so that's why it makes the problem. So now I will just show you another things called because I have a here. Okay, and this is the what is it under the H1? Okay. Just wait for a while. Under the H1. Okay. And here I have a style and then this is the board. I cannot put two style here. Okay. So which means that the first one, I have a Department of Information System and Technology. This is the font color will be the red. But the second one, it is going to be the border. It is going to have a border called the blue border. Okay. So now let me save it and refresh here. And then see, it is like this. Whether you can design, you can put it the border or you can do it here. Okay, so this is up to you. So these are all the things that you can make it beautiful for your website. Okay, I will put it in the YouTube. Okay, but some of the students, they needed this one also. You take the pictures here because as you know that I cannot put this one in the Moodle. If I put in the Moodle, it will be problem. Now you take the photo and then I will go down after that. If you finish, tell me. Because this is the coding, I cannot put it in the Moodle. Okay, I have recorded here. I will put it on YouTube and then I will upload in the Moodle, no problem. But this coding, I cannot put it. So you take the photo, finish taking the photo?
Yes.
Okay, now I will go down.
How to submit? We write in Notepad.
And yes, you have to write in the notepad. You can work with it together with the friends. You can work with it together with the friends, but you have to submit the differently. For example, you can discuss and work, and then you just change the different thing. Maybe your friends can do another things, not the chocolate. So just change the pictures. Design can be same, but the pictures change, the information change. Just do it like this. So for those who don't have a computer, okay, please go to your friends, okay, please go to your friends and work together because you have a time now, inshallah. Okay, so again, it is not difficult, easily to get the marks, inshallah. Okay, you finish
How
copy?
to submit?
You finish copy?
Yes.
Coffee?
Yeah, you take the photo or not? You take the photo, this one, right? The note, you take the photo?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, finish, huh? Because this one I cannot put
How?
it in the Moodle. This one I cannot put it in the Moodle, okay? I hope you remember this is I cannot put it in the Moodle. I will put the recording now because I have recording. After finish, I will put recording and then I will put it like this under the recording like this. I will put it here. After this section, I will put it like this. For example, HTML Note 3, okay? And the YouTube.
Okay.
So you can watch it, okay?
Okay, how to submit? كيف نرسل يعني
Submit.
طريقة؟
I will tell you later because I have to open like a
بعدين
project.
بتخبرنا.
Later, I will put it here, the
okay.
project, and then the link you have to submit that time, okay? With the HTML notepad and all the things you have to submit, okay? But now, please start doing, okay? So this is one of the important part, okay? So if you finish, then other things, we will do it slowly, okay? So this is one of the things. So please add the 10 item. Inshallah, okay, please add the 10 items like what you did it, okay, so when you design the free web store, okay, so inshallah I have already given for 5, just add the 10, okay, so you already have it before also, okay. So let us stop here, okay, because the time is finishing also, okay. I will upload it in the YouTube for today lectures and then I will put the link over there like HTML Note 3 under the today practical or Zoom link, okay. Any questions, students?
No, doctor, thank you.
Okay, take care. Bye. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay?
See you.
Okay, bye.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.